We are there in our job again after the exam and so many days holidays. I welcome you all back to our classes. Now sem 1 is completed. We'll move on to the next sem. Yes, I hope you all have written the exam well. Okay, shall we move on to the next session? Definitely you have to. Let us start the new lesson, that is respiration in organisms. You already know that all living organisms require energy to perform various different biological activities. From where do this energy obtain, or from where do they get the energy? Definitely the energy is obtained from the food that is consumed by the living organisms. Isn't it? Yes. A process called respiration releases this energy from the food and help the organism to perform various biological activities. This is what you are going to learn. Today's topic is respiration in organisms. In this vast topic, you will be knowing certain things, certain concepts. One is meaning of the term respiration. Next one is importance of respiration. And the next one is, do plants respire during day? What is cellular respiration? Let us have a discussion. First, we will see what is respiration. In smaller classes, you have learned that there is a respiratory system for human beings to respire. What is the definition you learned there in smaller class? Taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide is called a respiration. Yes, that is one part of respiration. When you come to 7th class in advanced stage, you should know that respiration, breathing is only one part of respiration, and there is one more part also, then all the process will be completed. So we can define respiration like this. Respiration is the general process in which organisms convert sugars into biochemical energy using oxygen. What do you mean by this biochemical energy? Convert sugars into biochemical energy. The process of converting sugar into energy, there are many chemical changes happening. That's what biochemical energy. Biochemical energy, the energy which is produced is stored in the form of glucose, sucrose, cellulose, carbohydrate, glucose, and that energy only we are using for various purposes, various activities. Is respiration important for all living organisms? Definitely. Without that, no living organisms can survive. Let us see the importance of respiration. During respiration, energy is produced. This energy is used in different processes which are necessary for the support of life, which are necessary to the support of all living organisms, whether it is unicellular organisms or multicellular organisms. So during respiration, energy is produced. In addition to energy, respiration also produces carbon dioxide and water as waste products. Now, respiration involves exchange of gases. What do you mean by that? Oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is released from the lungs. Isn't it? Yes, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is released. So this is what is one part of respiration, that is breathing. Now, this oxygen which is reaching to the cells combines with the food absorbed food and the energy is released. Clear? So energy, the final product, that is the energy. That energy is used in different processes which are necessary, which is necessary to support life. So respiration is very, very important. All living organisms must respire in order to survive their life. Do the plants respire? You learned that plants prepare food by the process photosynthesis during daytime. During daytime, do the plants respire? Sure. Definitely plants respire during the daytime as well as nighttime. Daytime, two processes are happening. One is respiration and the other one is photosynthesis. During nighttime, the plants only respiration takes place, no photosynthesis. You know the reason. So plants respire both the time, daytime as well as nighttime, but plants do photosynthesis only during daytime. At night, only respiration takes place in plants. This means that during night, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is released by plants. Now, the oxygen which is which you are taking in, which you are taken in, reaches to all the cells of the body when we breathe. In the body cells, the oxygen is combined with the absorbed food with the help of enzymes. As a result, energy and carbon dioxide are produced. This process that releases energy in the cells is known as cellular respiration. So, cellular respiration is the second next part, another part of respiration. First part is breathing and the second part is cellular respiration. During cellular respiration, oxygen combines with the absorbed food and releases energy. As this happens inside the cell, this is known as cellular respiration. Clear? Now, see the flowchart of cellular respiration. Oxygen is reaching to the cells. Inside the cell, the oxygen is combined with the absorbed food and the energy is released. Carbon dioxide and water are the other products. As this take place inside the cell, this is called a cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is the process in which cells produce the energy they need to stay alive. During cellular respiration, cells use oxygen to break down the sugar to produce energy. The body gets its usable energy for various life processes through the process of breathing and cellular respiration. I hope you understood this topic clearly. You must read textbook page number 102 3 or 3 to 5 times. Then you will be able to understand this. So we have introduced the new topic, respiration in organisms. In that, we came across what is respiration, do the plants respire, what do you mean by cellular respiration, and why respiration is important. Read the textbook page number 102 5 times and understand. Frame minimum 5 questions. This is your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.